So hi here, let's go to the new topic. So in the last class we did some of the very basic things from the Python basics, like how to print the data, what is variables, what are the data types. Now we are going to learn about how to take inputs in Python. So how to take input in Python. Okay. So what we need to do, let's first of all I'll tell you what is the mean of input and all, like how to take input, what is the mean of input, is it necessary or not. So there is two types for defining the data. Either you can do name equals to, let's say, Arjun. So name will be defined here. If you will print name, you will get always Arjun. So if I print here name, I will always get Arjun here. But let's say if I have multiple users, so in that case we need to take input. Like your values are not predefined, it depends upon the customer's input, customers what we can say, the feedback we will okay. So for taking the input, what we need to do, we will put here input, and then we will do here please enter your name. So it is also one of the type of function, and if I will use my name is, and I'll put here name, click on run. So let's say if I'll put here Arjun, I'll get here my name is Arjun. Next time if I'm putting here, let's say Ram, so I will get here Ram. Okay, so one problem is whenever by default if you are taking input, so by default your input will be in string format. If I'll show you here, print the type of name, so it will be, let's say Arjun. So by default it's in a string format. It doesn't matter if I'm entering a number. Let's say if I'm entering a number here, still I am getting this, it's a string. Okay, so by default whenever you are taking input, it will be in the string format. Okay, so let's say I will tell you how to take 5.1, how to take number as input. So for doing that, let's say if I'm taking a number, don't take the number, let's say I'm taking grade equals to int. So we need to do the typecasting here. Input, please enter your grade, and you can print grade, and if I will print here type of grade, I'll get the same thing. See, so yeah, I'm entering name Arjun, I'm entering here name Arjun, and let's say it is asking for grade, let's say 10, so it is printing 10, it is printing integer. So this is how we will take integer as input. For the float, we have to do the same thing. Instead of int, we will put, let me fix this code first. Yeah, instead of int, we will put float. That's it. So how to take decimals as input? So I'll put here decimal number as input. So in that we will do, let's say weight. We are measuring the weight, so weight can be in decimals. So we will put weight equals to float input. Please enter your weight. I will use the same thing here. I'll print the type as well for the weight. And I'll click on run. So it is asking name. Let's say I'm entering here Arjun. So my name is Arjun. It is showing class str. Let's say I'm entering here 10th grade. So it is showing 10, and then it is showing integer. Let's say weight is 35.67. So it will show float. So this is how we will take inputs in Python. Yeah. So that's all about the Python basics. In that we covered 5 major topics. In the last video, we covered 4 topics, that is how to print the data, what are the comments in Python, how many types of data types do we have, and what is variables. In this video, we have covered how to take input and how to take input for a string, for integer, and for the decimals. So in the next video, we will do some practice on those topics, and after that, we can go for little bit advanced topics as well. Thank you. Bye bye.